Hey guys. How do I, no, that's terrible. Okay. Hi everyone. So Ash and I just built Brooks a super cute console table for his video games. You can check that out by clicking the link in the top corner right here. And today he's been asking for some fun shelves to put all of his other things on. So we have a really fun idea for some pipe shelves that we're gonna be building right now. Let's do it. Okay. So the frame of each of these shelf boards is going to be 1x2. We actually cut our 1x2 out of 1x6 because it was cheaper at the hardware store. Definitely something to consider right now with prices so high. It's a great way to save money. So each of these shelves is going to use 2 1x2 longer pieces. These are 35 and an 1/8 for the length I'm going. So let me cut that one down to size. And each shelf is also going to have 3 support boards at 9.5 inches long each. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut 3 for each of those. All right, let's build a frame. All right, so Whitney has cut all of our boards to size for the frame, and we are assembling the frame for the box. You're not gonna see this because we're gonna build around it, but we've got 3 short pieces. One of them goes in the middle, the others are flush on this side. And we're going to attach everything with 1 1/4 inch brad nails and wood glue. So easy and really inexpensive. This is a great beginner project. It definitely is. And wait till you see how cute the shelf hardware is. It's really all about the hardware. It really is. Okay, and for the middle board, I am just eyeballing it because again, you're not gonna see it. It just gives a little center support to whatever the shelf is holding. And we will link to this glue bot in our post. These are so amazing. It just makes gluing even easier. It's one of our go-to accessories in our shop. So I love the shelves that we do because you can customize them to any size that you want. These are specifically customized to the pipes that Whitney got, but it's all the same design and plans. You just change the measurements. Okay, so we've got 1 frame, we've got 3 more to do, so we will do that really quick. Okay, we have 4 frames done, and now we're gonna be adding our top and bottom plywood. So we're gonna run wood glue? Yeah, I'm just trying to decide which side I'd like to stain. I would stain. I feel like that side might stain prettier, but I don't know. So we're using an inexpensive 1/4 inch plywood for this. It does take stain. Some people say it doesn't, but I think it does. Great. It may be that the oil base doesn't stain it well. Oh, that's true. We use water base. Okay, so we are just lining this up flush, and because I made such great cuts, it's flush indeed. And then we're going to attach it using our 1 1/4 inch brad nail. Teamwork makes the dream work. Always. Okay, let's flip it over. Add our wood glue. Helper Ashley. I'm the wood glue girl today. That's what they call her. It's like being a bat girl, but it's for wood glue. Yeah, way cooler. All right. And we're gonna do the same thing on this one, get it nice and flush. Cool. All right, so got this box done, and now we're gonna do the other 3 really quick. The final piece to building these shelf boxes. Shelves. Okay, the final piece to building these shelves is going to be trimming them. So what we're using for this part is craft boards. These are typically on the same aisle as your 1x and dimensional lumber, but they're a lot more inexpensive. So I thought it would be a great way with prices being so high to trim these out. So the first one, we're only gonna be trimming the front of our box and the 2 sides because the back's gonna sit against the wall. So I've got this one cut to size. We're just gonna add wood glue. And actually, let's prop it up like this. You're so smart. Give them a better view. Add wood glue. And our first trim piece, oh thanks. Okay, and attaching it using our nail. Okay. So for our sides, I've got the same craft boards and I've cut one end at 45 degrees to miter it up, and I'm gonna mark for my straight cut and head on over to the saw.
Go, 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 go.
We'll get this in place. Add a line of wood glue, and we'll attach it with our nailer. It's got one corner done, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I've lined it up, and I'm gonna mark for my straight cut. Go get it attached. Okay, so we have our first shelf box made. What I love about these is it's not gonna add a ton of weight to our metal brackets on the wall, but it gives us a big beefy feel because we made it thicker. So
it looks like a 2-inch block of
exactly.
wood.
It's very cool. So we're gonna get 3 more of these made and then we'll get them stained. Time lapse, time lapse.
All 4 boxes are done. Now we're gonna sand them down really smooth and give them a finish, and that's pretty much all there is to this besides hanging the pipe shelf.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. All right, guys, we are ready to stain these shelves, and we are using Craig's new multi-purpose project blocks. These are so fun. So they open up and give you a little tip, and then we can set each box as we stain it on top of it, and it gets it off the surface, gives us a good, easy way. And also, look at this. It doesn't move. I'm pushing it around, which is nice, because I always feel like when I don't have them, I push them off while I'm staining. And for my stain, I'm using the same stain that I use. It's a combination of a gray and a brown from Varathane. And I've never used these before. I'm trying them. They're staining pads.
Oh.
And I was nice enough to get us gloves. One moment. I will link to the stain in our post on our website so that y'all can see exactly. I just like to add a little bit of gray. I think it makes it a little bit cooler, if you will. I just love how these shelves turned out in Brooks's room. It added so much storage, and it's so cute in the corner.
So much bang for your buck. I can't believe they were so inexpensive. He's got tons of storage now, and it looks so beautiful.
Y'all be sure to subscribe to our channel. You do not want to miss another video. Happy building.
Shanty out.
So each one of our shelves is going to, okay. Okay, the final piece of trimming out these, the final piece to building these, sorry, try again. The final piece to building these,
They're boxes.
and we're gonna use Luann.
Oh, Luann platter.
Okay,